Today we're going to make a mug cake. Here are our ingredients. So, first of all, we need one large mug. Into the mug, we are going to put 4 tablespoons of self-raising flour into a big mug. Here is our flour. Ready? 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons of flour into our mug. Next, we are going to put 4 tablespoons full of sugar into our big mug. So we have our sugar. One, 2, 3, 4. 4 tablespoons full of sugar. Now we are going to put 2 tablespoons full of chocolate powder. 1, 2 chocolate powder. Next we are going to mix our sugar and our chocolate powder together. Mix. And it's all mixed up, so it's all nice and chocolatey. Okay. Lovely. All ready for, we need to add one egg and mix. So here are my eggs. 1 egg. 1 egg left. Egg. Our egg. So we crack. And in our egg goes. Oh, splosh! In it goes. We're going to mix. Mix our egg. Lovely. There we go. It's all mixing together. Look, it's all glue. There we go. Mix it up. Right. What we'll do next? Let's have a look at our next part of the recipe. So we're going to add 3 tablespoons full of milk. Here's my milk. Get rid of all that. Ready? 1, 2, 3. We'll put a bit more in for looks. There's that little bit of stuff on the spoon. So we put our milk into the cup. We've got to add 3 tablespoons full of oil. Let's find our oil. Oil. So I'm going to put 3 tablespoons full of oil. Ready? 1, 2, 3 tablespoons full of oil. Splosh. Then we are going to mix. Mix. Oh, look. Whoa. So we've got to mix it really well. Mix it all in. Mix, mix, mix. Stir it up. There we go. It's coming together really nicely now. Scraping the bottom. Make sure it's all, look, we've still got some flour ready to mix it all up. Mix it all up. Oh, that looks good. Just give it another quick mix. I think that's probably ready for the microwave. So it says we have to put it in the microwave for 1.5 minutes. So I'm going to go and put this in our microwave for 1.5 minutes. And then we will have a look and see what it's like. So I'm now going to go and put it in the microwave. Anyway, back we are from our microwave in the mud cake. It did have a little bit of spillage over the top, but hey ho. Here we go. So we're going to put it on a plate. Ready? Tip. Look at that. How lovely is that? One really lovely mud cake. Scrape it out. Scrape, scrape, scrape. There we go. And we have a mud cake. Shall we try it? Let's try a piece of mud cake. Here goes. Blow. It's very, very hot. Blow, blow, blow. Absolutely delicious. I think you need to try this at home.